Good morning. My name's Kate McGaw with the Brain Trust Consulting Group. We're running our first Scrumpalooza open space event in Los Angeles. The things I like about open space is the energy. I love groups of people getting together, sharing ideas, what's new to them. They've got an idea to share, or they've got a question and they bring the question. So I like the concept of multiple spaces. I like being able to move around from one space to the other. If I'm not getting anything from that session, I like to be able to go to another session. With the law of 2 feet, nobody takes offense if I move from room to room. So I enjoy, I think more than anything, the energy that it brings. I enjoy the disbelief. We today have 45 people. I think 5 or 6 of them had been to open space before, and the look of disbelief in their faces as I'm opening the space, saying you're going to have your marketplace, the wall's going to be up here, and they're looking, go, yeah, no, not going to happen. And the wall is now full. We've got 25 different sessions scheduled, and only 4 or 5 of these people have actually been to open space before. So to me, that is the power of open space, is a group of people being able to come together and have a day of fun, learning what they want in their environment, where they can change, move sessions and things like that. So I think more than anything, that's what I enjoy about open space.